Dual function. Cooking. Automatically transitions between cooking presets for precise cooking of your favorite foods. Just set it and forget it. Enjoy your favorite fried food without any extra oil needed. The high-speed convection fans speed up baking and provide that desired fried finish and flavor. 9 versatile presets. This versatile 9-in-1 appliance air fries, bakes, broils, convection bakes, convection broils, toasts, and more. The temperature range of 200–450 degree F makes it easy to achieve a healthy, crispy, fried finish using less oil than traditional fryers, or no oil at all. Make better-for-you fries that are just as crispy and tasty, roast a whole chicken, or perfect your avocado toast all in one appliance. XL family size, extra guests, or just extra hungry. Either way, this toaster oven air fryer was thoughtfully designed with the whole family in mind. The spacious 20-liter capacity fits 4 slices of toast, a 10-inch pizza or whole chicken, so you can make plenty of food for the entire family without heating up your oven. Auto shutoff and easy cleaning. For added safety, the toaster oven air fryer is equipped with advanced overheat protection. The included broil pan, 2 dehydrator racks, air fry basket, baking rack, and removable crumb tray are dishwasher safe, while the interior walls are non-stick making for easy cleanup. Plus, the digital oven air fryer steel exterior is cool touch for even easier operation. Resources: UL certified with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability and 1-year assurance provided by CHEFMAN, so you can purchase worry-free. For information on how to use your product, scroll down for a PDF user guide and quick start guide. 120 volts, 1800 watts, RJ50 SST digital oven air fryer.